dramatic turn of events, a grand new landmark has sparked controversy in the United States. A towering 90-foot statue of Lord Hanuman, one of the Hinduism's most revered deity, has become the focal point of the heated debate. While it stands as a symbol of cultural pride and devotion for many, it has also drawn criticism from the local church group. Here's a closer look at the unfolding controversy. This is TimesXP and I'm Dhriti Azri. So, in the quiet town of Sugarland, Texas, a remarkable event took place that drew the attention of many, both near and far. The Sri Ashtalakshmi Temple, that is located about 35 kilometers from Houston, has just unveiled an impressive 90-foot bronze statue of Lord Hanuman. Now, the statue, also known as the Statue of Union, has been meticulously crafted at a cost of $8 million. This stood tall and proud, symbolizing strength, devotion, and unity, marking it the third tallest statue in the United States. It was also the tallest Hanuman statue outside of India, a feat that brought immense pride to the Hindu community in the area. Now, the unveiling of statue was a grand affair. During the opening ceremony, the atmosphere was filled with spiritual energy as devotees chanted the sacred name of Lord Ram and Hanuman. A helicopter showering flowers upon the statue, while 72-foot long garland was carefully draped around Hanuman's neck. The temple ground was alive with celebration, devotion, and joy of the community. However, not everyone was celebrating. On that particular day, a group of 25 members from the local church showed up at the temple. Led by their pastor, Greg Gervais, they didn't come to join the festivity, but to protest. They gathered near the statue holding their Bibles and quietly praying in the corner. In the video that quickly went viral on Facebook, Gervais called Lord Hanuman a demon god, a comment that upset many in the community. At first, the temple's leaders and visitors were unaware of the group's intention. Dr. Ranganath Kandala, the joint secretary of the temple, recalled that they initially thought that the church members were out there of curiosity, having perhaps heard about the statue online. No one felt that there was any need to confront them, thinking that they were merely interested onlookers. But as the time passed, it became really clear that the group had other intentions. The protesters began to pray loudly and walk in the counterclockwise circle around the statue, a gesture that many found disrespectful. Some of the church members even approached temple visitors, insisting that Jesus was the only true God and urging them to abandon their faith. The tension in the air grew thicker with each passing minute. Among the temple visitors, some felt deeply offended by their intrusion. Dr. Gandala, seeking to diffuse the situation, approached the protesters and he spoke really calmly, trying to bridge the gap between them. Our teachings say that we should worship our own God but respect all others. He explained that I respect your God and you are expected to respect us. Despite his attempt at peaceful dialogue, some of the protesters continued their act. May all the false gods burn to the ground. They could be heard saying the statement that only heightened the unease among the temple goers. Now, some of the temple visitors, feeling the need to stand up for their beliefs, spoke back to the protesters. What do you know about our Bhagavad Gita and Veda that you are lecturing me? One person asked the challenging protester, understanding the Hinduism. Fortunately, despite the rising tension, the situation did not escalate into violence. While the pastor later on defended his action, claiming that they had come to the temple to pray peacefully, though he maintained his belief that Jesus was the only true God. He said, "We do believe that Jesus is the only way and that the statue represents a false idol with spiritual implication. But that doesn't mean we are not peaceful with everyone." Well, this incident at the temple was a reminder of deep divides that can exist between different faiths, but also of the importance of mutual respect and understanding. The towering statue of Lord Hanuman now stands as a symbol not only for devotion and strength, but also the challenges that come with religious diversity in the community. While the protest by the church group was a sobering moment, the temple's response, rooted in respect and peaceful dialogue, serves as a powerful example of how to handle such situations with grace. With more such videos, do follow TimesXP.